Hi everyone, welcome to Rios Recipes. I'm Jenny Rios, and today I'm going to teach you how to make what we call Heather chicken, which is really a buffalo chicken sandwich, but my best friend Heather taught us about this quick and easy meal, so we call it Heather chicken in the Rios house. This is so easy. All you need are chicken breasts. I actually already tossed them into the crock pot. Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, rolls, cheese, and a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. To get started, what we're going to do is just put your chicken breast in your crock pot and top it with a little bit of this sauce. So now we've added our sauce. Now we're going to cover this and cook it on high for 4 hours. This is a really simple recipe. You can set this up even to cook on low for a longer amount of time so that you can start it before you leave for work. Today we are planning to work outside building a kennel for our dogs. So this is going to be quick and easy. When I come back in, I will add some additional ingredients and we will be ready to serve. So we'll come back in 4 hours and see how this turns out. Now our chicken is fully cooked and we will remove it from our crock pot and place it in a bowl. Now I've removed most of the liquid from the crock pot and I have set it aside to be used later. There is still some liquid at the bottom and that is okay. I'm going to return the chicken to the crock pot and using my tongs I'm just going to break it up. You can see now using my tongs I broke up the chicken quite well, and now I'm going to add in some cheese and some cream cheese. And some more of the Red Hot wing sauce. If your crock pot has already turned off, you'll want to turn it back on. And we will let this blend together and cook together for about 20 more minutes. It has been about 20 minutes and our cheese and our sour cream has melted and I mixed them together. This is a time when you're going to have to use your own judgment. If you notice that your chicken is a little dry, then you can add in a little of the broth that you reserved. In my case, it looks like I left just about the right amount of liquid in the bottom of the crock pot. So my chicken is now ready. You can either serve this simply on a roll, or sometimes what I like to do for my family is actually create a kind of a garlic bread roll. So we are going to learn how to do that now. So sometimes I like to serve my Heather chicken on a toasted roll. What I like to do is simply add a little bit of butter to add some flavor. And we like garlic around here, so I'll add a little bit of garlic powder, not a lot. And first I like to place the roll this way and just kind of warm it a little bit, and then I'll flip it over and toast it. So now we're going to flip our roll over and let it get a little toasty on the garlic butter side of things. So our roll has now toasted, and we will set it on our plate. And we are ready to serve our family. So we just add a little bit of our shredded buffalo chicken, or what we call in our family Heather chicken. And I normally like to serve my Heather chicken sandwiches with a salad. This is an easy workday dinner. Thank you for joining me with Rios Recipes. I'm Jenny Rios. Behind the camera is Monica. We appreciate you watching our videos. We would love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and share. Thank you.